Yes. Anyone else? Any file is there to show? On the chat box, we can able to share it up. So we can use this chat box to share the files also. It will work out. So anyhow, I'm just taking the session from the office. So this version doesn't make you any problems. So you can give and you can see it up. So here now we'll check frame by frame. Come to the screen. So how to move to the frames? Which arrow? Like open and close bracket, right? So now get it fine tuned in this part. It is moving further a little bit. So instead of moving it all, we can get it down here itself. And which is the file moving? This is the file moving. Okay. So where the animation is done, this is the place you have done the animation, right? Switch to the spline editor, go to the file, get it fit, size and center, fit it off, and yes, we can get it move live on the screen here. And get this path to be under your control. Is it done? So path could be under control, and path does have a tangent, and you can control the tangent on the live on screen. This is called path, and this paths can be controlled by these many options. Now hope from the screen we got to know how to control a position animation live on the screen through the path. Am I right? No? పొజిషన్ మీదే ఏదో యానిమేట్ చేస్తే ఒక పాత్ జనరేట్ అవుతుంది. ఆ పాత్కి కంట్రోల్ చేయడానికి రైట్ సైడ్ మీదే, if you are in the right view, you will find some buttons. This all buttons are there to help you out to control this path. And the nodes is containing two yellow straight lines that is called tangent. And tangent can be controlled and it can be separate by the command over here. So let us make it smooth. So now both the sides smooth, and this is the linear straight. So two buttons, hope we got to know, linear and smooth. And the next over here, keep so lock current time. Hold the control button and drag it up. It is independent control. Note it down all the things. Control to get independent tangent movement. Select the node and hit the button S, L. These are all buttons which can be used, and the button is Shift S, smooth, Shift L, linear. So all these buttons, how to control the path on the position by the keyboard shortcut and in the toolbar. Shift S, smooth the node. Shift L, linear the node. Shift A, select all nodes. So I'll write down all the things. While you're working with position, technically it is called center. So you can find center. And the line created is called path. And path could be controlled by various keyboard shortcuts. Path consists of nodes, and node consists of tangents, and this nodes connected is the path. Path, node, tangent, three words. And this node can be smooth, can be linear. Smooth can be done by Shift S. Linear can be Shift L. smooth and linear. Is it okay? Next, control plus drag, independent. Independent tangent movement, tangent move. CTRL plus A, select all node. Control A, control drag, linear, smooth, shift L, shift S. Is it okay now? So hope we have seen on screen, if a position animation is done, then a path will be generated, and that path could be controlled by the special tools which will be operating on the viewport only. And out of that, 1, 2 option you got to know, and you have seen how to control them. So control A is to select all, and shift S to get it smooth all the nodes become smooth and all the nodes becomes linear, S and L. So these two buttons is clear, select all and smooth and linear buttons also clear. So animation can be again controlled through this option. So here frame by frame we can check how it is jumping. It's okay. So go to the first half frames, space bar. And yes, it is on the air. How to get it down? Yes, move it down, the whole things, or else only this tangent. You can make the whole animation to be under the control of this tangent. Tangent down change. Right? Now we have seen the before animation and the present animation. So here the slip come up and it could be controlled. So check frame by frame. Go down, down. If it is required, so you can place or else you can change it up. It is not to be go below the ground level. Yes, you can make the tangent to move rather than anchor point. Just point tangent ki kudiga move change. If at all it is not possible, then you can touch to the node. Or else through the tangent, you can make your job finish. Here also, if it is not so required to go into the top, make it go it down. Right? And the next, if this is not required, get it delete. So ఒక tangent minimum key మీదే బిజినెస్ చేయొచ్చు, ఎక్కువ నోడ్స్ అవసరం లేదు. Yes, this node could be down a little. So hope we have understood now how to handle the fine tune the animation. Animation చేసిన తర్వాత fine tuning కావాలా, fine tune చేసినప్పుడు ఇవన్నీ హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. So get down and the paths allowed to touch to the ground level. And here it could be linear, could be to the top side. Fine. Hope everyone is watching. So make a output and that make a sense, and you can do this. So the first preview will be slow because RAM preview will go, but the next you can fine tune and get it move. So maybe like the animation is bouncing earlier, so it should bounce a little late. So the timing could be changed now onto the timeline. Yes, get it fit and show the keys. So this is what your position, right? And you can move it up on which frame you want. Is it okay now? So timeline job is done by the timeline, and keys job is done by the splines. So here are the keys. The animation starts at this point. You can make it to reach to the ground here. అర్థమైందా? యానిమేషన్ ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందంటే గ్రౌండ్కి టచ్ చేయండి. ఇది కొంచెం ముందుకు మూవ్ చేస్తే ఈ పని ముందే అయిపోతుంది. After touching to the ground only, this bouncing should start. Is it clear? So how to make the keys to get adjust, that we have seen now. Yes, hit and trial, but once your timing gets set, then very fastly you can do it. So I've just taken 10-15 minutes here to let you know how to synchronize all these things down and get it more. Keys are visible on your screen. This is position keys. This is scaling keys. Get them sync and do the animation. Is it okay, Ganesh? Hope the things are reaching. So I don't know, like the Dell name is there somewhere. So hope we have understood how to fine tune the bouncing ball through the graph editor, curve editor, I mean spline and timeline combined together. Will I move to the next? Animation part 3. We are talking only about the animation. Yesterday's class, you then got background layer. Switch to the left side, fit to the window, Control F, and get again a new background on the top side with the red color. Switch to the left side, get it fit. Get the size to be down. So you can see it is a 2K file. The file will be slow down here. So what you can do, make the composition to get down. How to make the composition to get down? Get it close all, switch to the option file, preference, get this composition setting to change. Default is 2K now. You can switch down to PAL D1 size or HD size, anything a little smaller so that easily you can able to work. Get it saved. Now take a new file, and if you're taking the background now, it will come up with the PAL size background. Go to the left. Switch here. Okay. Setting is not updated, I so. Preference. PAL, okay. So let me close all the things. By default, it is taking that only. It should not. Okay, save it up. Fine. If it is not happening, then obviously you need to get this particular files setting to get changed to PAL. Now it's okay. It is on PAL. Background node. Okay, it's by default it is taking this. You can give a right click over here and switch to the PAL D1. So it should change. Why it is not updating, we need to check. But now it is PAL D1 size, which will make your animation a little faster. That's the reason why we have taken this. Control C, Control V, make a new composition, come over here and take the red color and get the size down to 300 by 300 and get this floor to be on the left side by hitting 1. 1 for left side, 2 for right side, 1, 2, 1, 2. And Control F, fit to the window. So now what is the topic now? animation advanced. Animation advanced stage. Now on the right click of any properties, you'll find few more options. Okay. My tablet is not working. Here on the right click, you can find animation is okay. But here you can see modifiers are there. What are there? Modifiers are there. Right now? So switch to the modifier called sec modifier. Just like a filters. In Photoshop filter ఉన్నాయి అలాగే ఆ ఫ్యూజన్ మీదే ఒక animation property ఎన్ని filters ఉన్నాయి. You can use any filter like sec. The time you switch to the sec modifier to the animation of this particular rotational property, then in the modifier you will find a button like this. Hope you are getting now. What is the topic going on? Animation advanced level. In the before day, we have learned to make animations to start by the property right click and go for animation. But now we have switched to the modifier and gone for sec. The time we gone for sec, immediately in the merge node or any node, you'll find a special button called modifier. The whole animation is under the control now here. Check to the screen what happens. Here minimum and maximum is 1. And the animation is not so distinguished because smoothness is there. Get the smoothness become less, and here you can start animation started up. Kanpartunda? Now 1 degree rotation is happening. 0, 1, 0, 1 avutundi. So the screen is not visible. You can make the maximum to go for 10. Now the animation started. The animation is done by automatic format. And here you're making the smoothness to get less. If you make the smooth more, then it will make slow randomness in between the 0 to 10 degree. You can see the advanced level in Fusion, which is not there in After Effects. You need to write a lot of coding, then it could be done. Without doing animation, how to make a sec animation? Camera sec kavala iyanni kosam scripting use chestam, ee modifier use chestam. Now make the rotation 20 degree or 100 degree. So 0 నుంచి 100 మీద sec start అవుతాయి. ఇది అర్థమైందా? Now we'll go for practical use of it. Now the theory are to be get clear. What we are learning now, advanced level. How to make it advanced level? Go to the property, give a right click, switch to the modifier and go for sec. Not only sec, these many type of properties are there. We're just going to the sec. Immediately what will happen? We can find that property in the modifier panel. And here in the sec, we do have two property: minimum how much rotation, maximum how much rotation. That is mentioned over here. So maximum like 150 degree rotation kavala. So check to the screen now. The rotation will be seking off in between 0 to 150 degree. Now you can see the property in the spline editor also. Before that, let us see what is the smoothness is more. Now default is this. And you can make it very less. So it will be very jerky. So who is controlling? Smoothness is controlling. Is it okay online? Everyone? Because now it goes to the advanced level. Yes. And you are not getting, make me stop. Because it was a problem for me in the initial stage. What is this? After Effects, you are paying extra money to learn Fusion. So these are all the things extra. Normal keys animation, After Effects could change. But in Fusion, what is new that you need to learn? Smoothness can be down and it will be jerky. Hope it is clear. Now go to the random and things will be again a little change. Fine. Let us move to the next. If it is a bike మీద ఒక పర్టికులర్ స్పీడ్లో బైక్ వెళ్తుంది, అది చూపిస్తుంది ఎక్కడ మూవీలో కట్ షాట్లో చూపిస్తుంది. రేసింగ్ సీన్ మీదే మీకు మిడిల్ షాట్ స్పీడోమీటర్ వస్తాయి. ఆ స్పీడోమీటర్ మీద కెమెరా లేదు, అవన్నీ డిజిటల్ చేస్తుంది. సో థింక్ ఫర్ ఏ వైల్, ద థియరీ వి లర్న్, ద ప్రాక్టికలిటీ వి గెట్ కనెక్ట్. How to connect? Change the pivot point. Now get the rotation within changing the pivot point. So let us take again this start. Stop the screen. Get it slim. How to get it slim? By changing the information of the image. Get the words down to height is okay, words to 20. Is it clear? The speedometer kind of things to be get done off. Now let's connect and see it on the screen. Now the rotation to be done in the down. So how to change the pivot point? Pivot point itla change cheyalo? Online everyone? Anybody can ever tell? How to change? Yes, transform node. Transform. And inside the transform node, what is the point to be touched? Center or pivot point? Pivot point ki touch cheyala. Center ki touch cheyala, pivot ki, okay? X ki touch cheyala, Y ki?
Y, sir.
Y. Enduko up and down ante Y. So just touching 0 down level. So immediately center down ki వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు rotation చేయాలా? ఎక్కడ rotation చేయాలా? Rotation can be done in transform. Rotation can be done in merge also. Then where you need to rotate? Merge or transform? Question correct now? ఇక్కడ కూడా rotate చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ కూడా rotation is done through angle. ఇక్కడ కూడా angle ఉంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా angle ఉంది. So ఏం angle కి మనం animation చేయాలా? To make a speedometer.
Transform.
Transform. Why? Because the center is down. ఇక్కడ ఉంటే సెంటర్లో ఉంటుంది. సో సెంటర్లో రొటేట్ అవుతుంది. సో వీ నీడ్ టు డూ ది అనిమేషన్ ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ నోడ్. సో చెక్ నౌ ద అనిమేషన్ స్టార్ట్. డజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? బైక్ మీద స్పీడోమీటర్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ రేంజ్లో 50 to 80 కిలోమీటర్ స్పీడ్లో బైక్ వెళ్తుంది. అది చూపించుకోవాలి. సో వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ? గివ్ రైట్ క్లిక్ ఆన్ టు ది యాంగిల్, స్విచ్ టు ది ఆప్షన్ కాల్ మోడిఫైర్ అండ్ గో ఫర్ సెక్ అండ్ స్విచ్ ది రేంజ్ హియర్. And get the minimum to be something. So 0, 1 and 0 ikkada untundi, right? So get it minus something, minus 20. Okay, so you can see now. So it's 90, 100 degree munduku vellipoyindi. So 1, 10. So hope we have seen now. This is default. It will go till 10 backside. So you can get it minimum to be this and maximum to the that. Default conditions. And here you can make it to 20 to here 20. So within this range, it will get vibrate. Smoothness. Okay. So give this range to this. Does it okay? So what happened now? How to control the vibration within a limit that I made you to know. Is it clear? Smoothness, how much you will get down, that much vibration will get rise up. So while the bike is moving, this is a meter which can be placed on the back side. So let us take a practical output. Nenu okada tayar chesi chupistundi. Make sure you are making it done. So oka practical output, say to the screen, speedometer. On Hollywood movies, you'll find on the middle shot, ఇది రైట్ చేస్తుంది, ఇది ఇలా అనిమేషన్ చేస్తుంది చూడండి. Step number 1, while you are making animation and all things, make sure you are taking the front angle photographs. I mean, front angle photographs మాత్రం తీసుకోండి. Not to be in perspective. ఇది squeeze ఉందా, perspective ఉందా, అది తీసుకోవద్దు. So which is exactly facing to the camera, we can take that. Maybe like, I just click somewhere. Is there? Fine. Give a right click and switch to the copy image. Go to Photoshop. Close all the things. Take a new file. Edit, paste. Is it okay? First job over. Out. Clean up. Right? Step by step happening on your screen, but make sure it is done by you. Now is the time to get cut. How to make a cut? Yes, all the tools are there for you. So get a circle. Fine. Now is the time to go for lasso, polygon lasso. Switch to the addition, shift is a button. Because as a compositor, they'll be expecting all the things from you. Click. Done. Now it's the time to get it into the next layer. Control J. Control Shift J. It has been cut up. Now at this place, we can place the color from the screen onto this layer. Okay. Hope it is clear. Take the brush tool, rise the screen, and get the smoothness and get it minimized. Is it clear? Rise the hardness and get it close. No more big rocket science. Everything you know. Just I'm getting it extra things. So zoom it up. Pick the color from the screen and get it paint. Nothing to get hurry, get it close. Endugo? Because you do have options to get it smooth, hardness down change, and paint change. So it will match. It is expected. So get it ready. As for stamp tool, take this, hold the Alt and get it click. Come over here, paint it down. Is it done? So this job is over and get this portion also. Get it clear. So a little bit clone stamping to be done off. And this to be get rotate now. Check it off. Does it happening or not? Yes. It's start done. Press the enter. Control Shift S. Write down speedometer. Because practically the things to be done up. And no rocket science, chala easy, difficult visayam em ledu. You can do it easily. Now how to import PSD file? File, import PSD, not by loader. Loader తీసుకోవద్దు. Speedometer. Everything is there as it is. You have done in Photoshop. Now, what is the thing to be done? Back side and front side. Okay, bring it to the center. Now it is the time to start off using the node. What is the node? Amy?
Transform.
Transform. Because the work will be done by you. Right now, studio lo in దగ్గర ఎవరు ఉంటుంది మీదే. You, your brain, your note, that is there. Now by default it is in the center, so it can be done either by the merge or the transform, doesn't matter, because pivot point is there in the center. So it is the time to go for the scripting. What is the script to be written in angle? Give a right click switch to the modifier sec. 3 days నుంచి animation on చేస్తే ఇవన్నీ జరిగింది. ఎప్పుడేమి అసలు animation button touch చేయ అవసరం లేదు. Sec. Now go to the modifier. Here the action starts. First we need to think what is that angle to be get done of. Does it back side or front side? If it is transferred, number is not there. So minus 80. Are you getting? You're just putting minus 80 to set the value to angle. Now I need to go for more. Still it is not happening. Then write the value manually, minus 200. So it will give you the range. So it is not to be animated, so nothing to get. 18 inch 100 speed lo bike undi adi cheptanu. So 18 inch plus 10. Okay, minus minus 20. So minus 40. You're just giving the range. So here within this range, the vibration will happen. So let's start moving to the timeline. Okay, this is giving a bigger range. So fine. So nothing to get worry. You need to go for calculation. ikkadi nunchi minus 10 matra 80 ikkada vachindi ante 100 ante 20 degree matra. So write down 20 only. So this is the range. Within that it will get fluctuate. Okay, so you can find minus 20 or plus 20 in that range it is moving. Still it is to be get minimized by making this number to get very less. So this is how we can start up making the calculation. So check to the screen and get it done up. So if it is in 1, then it is completely taking 181 degree changes. So that is to be get considered and make it to grow. So this cannot be go such fluctuations. So get that same number to place here. What is happening? Control C, Control V, minus 1. So if the two number is same, then exactly it is coming to that value. Yes, then we got to know this is not what the number we are looking for. $150 and minus 150 by minus 150. So set the number and find the value first. Minus 120 by minus 120. Is it okay? So once you set the value, then from that point it will start off fluctuating here and there. 1 pixel it will to change. And minus 100 by minus 100. So now range come up, then 10 degree inside outside, the fluctuation can be done up. So hope you got to know how to find the range, then change the smoothness down and start vibrating. Is it clear? So exactly how to take the input and how to take the output, everything I've made you on front. This will be a shot, which will be the middle shot in the chasing shot. And again, the camera cannot able to capture the speedometer. So our time low, digitally they will range the things and everything should be original photography. So photograph will be turned into motion graphics because it will be sec proof. Hope it is clear. Yes, you can chart me up. Yes, anything affects, all the things could be animatable. Akshay, it's okay? Mr. Akshay, okay now? Fine. Now the task. On your front, the output has been come up. Take a thermometer and rise the temperature. Room temperature and the height rise in the camera lo shoot cheyani avasam ledu 10 hours or anything. So take a single photo of thermometer and rise the temperature and show it up. If it is happening, then it is under your control. Then yes, minus 100 and minus 80. So within 90, 85. It's okay. The range is within like 15 degree. It is vibrating from the base point, plus or minus. Does it clear? Let us see how it is happening and where the graph is. Now we'll go to the graph editor of the transformer. Switch to the transformer, see the graph editor, and see the vibration. No keys has been used. Everything is done through the scripted format on the backend. Is it clear? First level ఒక range లో ఉంటుంది animation. Now second range. Now we'll go to the third range in the next session. Through the expression, how you can do it up. We'll go for connection, like ఒకటి రైజ్ అవుతే ఒకటి కలర్ రైజ్ చేయాలా, ఒక బటన్ డౌన్ ఉంటే మళ్ళీ కలర్స్ డౌన్ చేయాలా, ఇలాగ యానిమేషన్ విల్ సీ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్. బట్ మేక్ ఏ అవుట్పుట్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రెజెంట్ నాలెడ్జ్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆపరేటర్ వీ హ్యావ్ లర్న్? sec operator, sec modifier. Where it is? Modify, sec modifier. ఇలాగా చాలా ఉంటాయి. So we have started with one, but we'll go with the more. కాన్సెప్ట్ అర్థమైన తర్వాత మీరు ఓన్గా స్టోరీ తయారు చేయొచ్చు. సో గెట్ యువర్ ఓన్ స్టోరీ అండ్ మేక్ ద డెమో రీల్ రెడీ అండ్ గెట్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ చేంజ్. హౌ టు చేంజ్ ద బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్? ఎస్. Now this file is very big. Okay, this is with 2K size, so you can take the size from the others, or you can write down here the size of this. So how to find the size of this particular image? Already you have learned. What is the method? Get it minus C onto the top, 1200 by 1200. So select this and convert that into 1200 by 1200. Is it clear? And pixel aspect ratio does matter. So how to find the pixel aspect ratio of it? Inside the format or import, you can see the default pixel aspect ratio is used, but you can customize that. 1:0937 is the own to it. Same thing we can able to adapt for here. So the output remain the same. So how to take the input and output from the source that we have seen now, and how to make an animation also. Range ila set chala, eppudu color change cheyochu. You can pick the color from the screen. Pick the color from the screen. How to pick? Smooth the picker and place it on. Set it down. Switch to F4. And the keyboard shortcut is 3. Complete full screen mode. What is the keyboard shortcut for full screen? 3. So a little shake on the projector here, but you can see now how to get the final output. Is it clear? So take some crystal clear photographs from the net and get pure cloning to avoid the pixel jitters. Then start up make modify. And this could be a middle shot in the like 2 shot of before and after. Live shot munde idi pettochu. Fine. So hoping the next session should be from your end. Any speedometer or anything you can take, not like only numbers to be there. What can be done? Thermometer. So we have taken this session in a little practical manner today. So hope it could be done. So you can see. So this red color has to rise. Idi ela chala check cheyandi. Can be done. Yes, client will ask you this. Customer meeke ide adugtaru. They will not ask you, do you know fusion? Am I right now? Fine, then I'm stopping the screen. I'm not to make it more strain. Get this or anything of your choice, what you enjoy, and animate, and we'll see in the next session with your project file. Any change. Full screen, huh? Okay. Change. అలాగే మళ్ళీ ఇది అన్ని ఫోటోగ్రాఫ్స్ తయారు చేయాలి. సీక్వెన్స్ 1 2 3 4 ఫోటోషాప్లో అది తీస్తే సీక్వెన్స్ ఫైల్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకెచ్చు, ఒకటి తర్వాత ఒకటి ఆటోమేటిక్ చేయొచ్చు. అది ఒక వీడియో లాగా ఉంటుంది, సీక్వెన్స్ ఫైల్ ఉంటుందినా అలా చేయొచ్చు. Fine then, I'm stopping the screen. We'll meet in the next session with the higher options.